Welcome to the final tutorial in the Olympus Manager series. In this session, we'll explore the Settings section. Here, we can view and manage the details of our company, starting with basic information like who we are. We also have options to set system defaults, such as the languages we use, including printing language and receipt language, as well as the default price catalog. Moving on to cash register settings. If an official tax cash register is connected, the system can communicate directly with it and send necessary information. You can also decide whether to print the company logo on receipts or disable it altogether. In the table lock settings, you can enable a feature that restricts access to tables once they are served by a specific person. This ensures no one else can view or modify the table's information. You can also toggle person counting, which, when enabled, prompts a dialog box asking for the number of people when opening a new order at the POS. If this is unnecessary for your workflow, you can simply turn it off. For the interface mode, you have the flexibility to switch between graphic icons or a default button-style interface for items and groups in the system. Next, let's look at printers and printer settings. Here, you can configure the default printer by assigning it a friendly name, setting how many copies should be printed, and selecting the Windows printer to use. Now, moving to VAT and register settings, you can define VAT percentages for accounting purposes. If a tax cash register is connected, the system can automatically send data to the appropriate register section, such as Section 1, 2, or 3, based on the VAT setup. The system also supports adding new languages. For example, if you want to include Estonian, simply select it, press Add Language, and the system will confirm that the language has been successfully added. From then on, Estonian will be available for menus, labels, and more. You can also customize the system further by configuring additional cash registers. The supported models and their protocols are already built into the system, and you can specify where generated files should be saved. Lastly, one of Olympus Manager's standout features is its price catalog management. The system starts with a default catalog, which you can modify or use as the base for new catalogs. For instance, if you need a special takeaway catalog with a 25% price reduction, you can simply create one with the press of a button. A rounding function is also available to adjust prices as needed. And with that, we conclude the Olympus Manager tutorial series. Thank you for following along. We hope these tutorials have helped you understand the full capabilities of the system. See you next time.